And I'm already getting ready for Christmas. I ordered this lip gloss and nail polish for kids, for my girls. And also I ordered this one. And this one, this is also nail polish for kids. This is from Nordstrom. And this is for the stuffer stockings. And I ordered 2 sets. I also ordered this Anastasia powder bronzer. So nice. It looks a little darker than my skin. This is the color Rosewood, but I'm gonna try it. And I'll also order this blush trio. Peach Love. Oh, it's really nice. The packaging is really nice. Seems a good color for a darker skin than mine, but I'm gonna try it. I didn't know it was this dark or warm. This box are samples. This seems to be a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lashes.